Hello mommies and hello kids. Welcome to my channel Learn with Kids. In today's video I would be discussing the letter B. I will be telling you what is the sound of B and how you can tell your child how to speak the sound of B. Let's start with the video. Here you can see two animals are fighting with each other. The one is bear and the other is bull. Yes, this video is about the big fight. Here we have the letter B, the small letter B. You can see it's written B. This story is about the big fight between the big bull and the bear. Let's start with the poem. What's written in the poem? The big bull and the black bear. Black bear found a bright ripe pear. Do you know what, kids? What big bull and black bear found? They found a bright ripe pear. Yes, yummy pear. And it was so good, so tasty to eat that they both started fighting with each other. Look how bear and bull, they both are fighting with each other. Aren't you scared? I am very scared. Then what happened next? The bull bull said, "Let's take a bite." Do you know what bull said to bear? "Let's take a bite of this pear." But the big bear began to fight. Bear said, "No, this is my pear. I will not share with you, bull. You go from here. I saw it first. It belongs to me. It belongs to me. You go from here. It belongs to me because I saw it first." Here the bear started fighting with bull. Then what he said? "You go and eat leaves from the trees. This pear belongs to me, so I will eat this pear." Then what happened? Bear ate the pear and he found it so tasty, and bull said, "Okay, I will go from here. I will not come here again. I will go and eat leaves from the tree." Kids, do you saw how they have a big fight? Today we have learned the phonic sound of letter B. Kids, you can revise this letter with your mommies. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please hit on the bell notification to get the daily updates for my videos. And friends and kids, tell your mummies to give like to my channel so that I will be coming up with the next letter soon. For now, take care, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.